Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on changing the charging connector of your Lenovo Ideapad 3. Before we begin, ensure you have a clean workspace and the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. 1. Power off the device. Ensure your Lenovo Ideapad 3 is completely powered off and disconnected from any power source. 2. Remove the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the back panel of your laptop. There will be several screws along the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them for reassembly. Disconnect the battery. Once the panel is removed, locate the battery connection. Gently disconnect the battery using your spudger to avoid any short circuits. 4. Locate the charging connector. Now, look for the charging connector on the motherboard. It will be connected with a few screws. Carefully unscrew it using your Phillips screwdriver. 5. Remove the old connector. Once unscrewed, gently pull the old charging connector away from its slot on the motherboard. Take care to avoid damaging any surrounding components. 6. Clean the area. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the area around the charging port. This helps prevent any dust or debris from interfering with the new connector. 7. Insert the new connector. Position the new charging connector into the same slot where the old connector was located. Make sure it fits snugly. If you require assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify any other underlying issues before proceeding. Number 8. Secure the connector. Once positioned, secure the charging connector with the screws you retained earlier. Ensure it is tightly fastened. 9. Reconnect the battery. After the charging connector is securely in place, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. This step ensures your laptop has power for testing. 10. Test the new connector. Before assembling the back panel, it's advisable to power on your device. Check if the laptop charges correctly with the new connector. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home for hassle-free servicing. 11. Reassemble the laptop. If everything works properly, power off the device again. Place the back panel back on the laptop and fasten all screws securely. 12. Final checks. Ensure all pieces are fitted correctly and there are no screws left over. This is crucial in guaranteeing longevity and performance. By following these detailed steps, you should successfully replace the charging connector of your Lenovo Ideapad 3. Remember, if you ever feel unsure or uncomfortable performing repairs, our quote before repair service allows you to know the costs up front. And with no calls and no travel, we aim to make repairs as convenient as possible for you. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.